Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to delete TNG eWallet account permanently. So let's start with the first step, which is to open TNG eWallet and go to your profile. So just log in and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right to open your account menu. So make sure that your balance is 0 on and there is no pending transaction remain, so the application won't let you delete otherwise. Next step is tap security and privacy. So you have to scroll down and tap on the security and privacy to access account management options, including deletion. So if you don't see this option, update the application to the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. Next step is select delete my account. So tap on delete my account at the bottom. So you have to read the warnings and check all the confirmation boxes. So this will permanently delete your account so you cannot recover it or your transaction history later. Next step is verify with OTP. So enter that 6-digit OTP sent to your registered phone number or confirm your identity. So the OTP expires in 60 seconds, so you can tap resend if the timer runs out before you finish typing. Lastly is account deleted successfully. Now you will see a green confirmation screen and your account is viewed for permanent deletion and will be fully removed within 30 days. So screenshot the confirmations page as proof, so you can also contact the TNG support via live chat if the deletion fails. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!